I think if we look carefully at consumer behavior and recent changes that have taken place in consumer behavior, we'll start to see that technology, the evolution of technology, is at the root of almost every one of those changes. If you look at how fast technology has been changing, it's something that everyone's aware of. Everyone knows technology is changing rapidly, but the rate of change is accelerating so quickly that it's actually starting to outpace our ability to adapt. Computing power over the last 50 years has been doubling every 2 years, and there's more data now that's been created in the past 2 years than in the entire previous history of humanity. And the massive amount of data, the interconnectivity of it, the accessibility of it, those are all changing the way that people see the world around them. And because of that, people are more empowered to make certain decisions. In the commercial leasing space, for example, customers are more informed than they have ever been before, and they're less patient than they've ever been before. So they're making better buying decisions, they're making them faster, and they're expecting the companies that they do business with to reciprocate the level of speed and simplicity and transparency that they've become accustomed to. Historically, people would make certain decisions based on long processes of obtaining information, lots of challenges in vetting that information. And now, if somebody has a question about whether a company's rate is fair or whether the quality of their product is in line with what their perception is, they can confirm that information in a matter of seconds. And because of all those types of things, our behavior is changing and our ability to access information is changing. I think most specifically, people are becoming more aware of opportunities to do things differently. If we look at B2C activity in terms of mobile activity, there are some unique trends that we can identify that indicate a likely migration to mobile experiences in the B2B space, including commercial lending. 5 billion people roughly have smartphones now, all of them outfitted with sensors that are capable of collecting and curating massive amounts of data. And in addition to that, people are becoming more dependent on the capabilities of their mobile phones, and they're bringing those dependencies with them into the workspace. So when you think about those concepts and the fact that a lot of mobile technologies, a lot of mobile applications now are designed in such a way to where they can solve complex business problems and also provide predictive insights, in some cases at a faster rate and with even more precision than some desktop applications. Our perspective through the entire process has been, what can we do to create a dramatically improved customer experience?